In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase row height in Google Sheets. If your text looks cramped or your rows feel too tight, adjusting the height can instantly make your sheet easier to read and more professional. I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to do it and share a few tips so you know exactly when to use each option. First, the quickest method is a manual drag. Look to the far left of your sheet where the row numbers are listed. Move your cursor to the line between any 2 row numbers. When the cursor changes to a vertical resize arrow, click and drag down to make the row taller, or drag up to make it shorter. Release when it looks right. This is great for quick visual adjustments. If you want to change several rows at once this way, select those rows first by clicking and dragging over their numbers, then hover on any shared boundary and drag. All selected rows will adjust together. If you want consistent spacing across your sheet, use a precise pixel value. Start by highlighting the rows you want to match. Right-click anywhere within that selection and choose Resize. In the dialog, enter a specific height in pixels, something like 50, 60, or whatever looks best for your data. Then click OK. This applies the exact same height to every selected row, which is perfect for clean layouts or when you're following a style guide. Remember, you can always undo if the height feels too large or too small. For a smart automatic option, double-click the line between row numbers to fit the row to its data. This instantly expands or shrinks the row so that the tallest cell in that row is fully visible. It's especially handy when you have text that wraps onto multiple lines or cells with line breaks. You can do this on a single row or on multiple selected rows at once. After you add more content later, you can double-click again to readjust. If you find the row isn't expanding as expected, check whether your text is set to wrap. The fit will reflect what's actually visible in the cell. To recap, drag for quick visual tweaks, use the resize dialog when you need exact uniformity, and double-click to let Google Sheets automatically fit the content. With these techniques, your data will be easier to scan, cleaner to present, and far more readable. Try them out on a copy of your sheet first, find the look you like, and then apply it confidently across your project.